welcome back to another video. Welcome to another vlog today. As you can see, I'm wearing something a bit more fancy this time. We're heading through to Daytona for Supercar Sunday. As you can see, the weather's a bit cloudy, so I think we're gonna get some pretty dope photos. So without stalling too much, let's get to Melrose. John, I want to race. So I hope you guys enjoyed this short little cinematic sequence of the cars that I spotted at Supercar Sunday. I want to actually go again just to see if there's any new cars. I'm sure there's a whole lot more newer versions, SF90s, F8 Tribunos that would be hanging around there. But it was really cool to see how many supercars are actually just in Gauteng. I mean, that wasn't even a half of them or a quarter of them, so it was really cool to see how many supercars are out there. Let me know in the comments down below what was your favorite car of the day. Mine was definitely the Liberty Walk A90 Supra. It's not very often that you see someone actually go to the full extent of doing a full wide body kit, let alone a Liberty Walk body kits. So let me know in the comments below what was your favorite, and then please remember to like. As I said previously, the video spread a lot more and reaches a wider audience just by liking the video. And if you do want to share it, and remember to hit the subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. We've got a few features, car features and bucky features, 1400 features coming up soon. Thank you guys for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day and peace out. Cheers. Memphis, man.